In this video, I'm going to show you what's the best option for a smartphone microphone to get good quality audio. I've got a number of different mics to test, and over time it's just caused a nightmare. So this is a quick video, no BS, straight to the point, what works for me, what do I like, and you will be able to see what worked for me. So this is my mobile phone on a simple mobile phone holder. I've covered up all the brands because I'm not sponsored by any of them, and it's not a paid or any type of sponsored activity. It's just me giving you a real life view. So I've got this wireless microphone system here. You can get these from a number of places, you know, these little dongle things that you connect on your phone and you connect one to the microphone. So I'm going to test it directly with a boom mic on the smartphone. I'm going to test it with one of these little wireless ones. I'm going to test it with actual straight camera audio and see what works best. What we're doing here is what gives us good quality audio, what gets rid of ambient noise. And you'll see here I'm just using a smartphone. I've got one of these. You can get these from like DJI or Rode, or a number of companies make these. Just don't buy the Hollyland Lark system 150. That was just rubbish. I made a separate video where it debugged out. First one we're going to check is the microphone boom on top of the camera, about 3 feet away from the location. I've plugged in the mic using an adapter which is type C to a 3.5 millimeter. I might, if I can remember, put a link in the description to all the stuff I'm talking about here. So you'll see the mobile phone mounts on a normal holder, and that holder is then on a little stand, so there won't be any noise introduced there. This is the cable I'm talking about. There's two types of cables. You can get one which is a type C with a female adapter, so you can plug in an existing one, or you can plug in a cable directly to the mic. This is a mobile phone holder with an extra mount on top, so you can actually screw the mic on if it's a shotgun mic. This is one of those little mini tripods for holding in your hand, and this cable here is a similar one for 3.5 to type C, so you don't need an adapter. And here's the wireless, and then that's the mic boom that I'm going to test. So we're testing the mic boom. There's not been any processing to any of this sound. It's a bit delayed, which is unusual. So now I'm just going to plug in this here. So wireless mic right next to it. What does that do? Again, a little bit delayed, but I don't know. I'm not too happy with that. But let's see what happens with a boom mic connected to the wireless system. So if you're further away, that might be a better option. So in summary, what are we saying here? To be honest, that it's okay. You will have to increase the volume slightly to get a better quality audio overall, but I think the main one that worked okay for me without too much noise was having the boom mic on top of the camera on the stand. Anything, it depends what your process is. If you're doing cooking away from the camera, maybe the system with the microphone away, as in plugged in with the adapter, would be better because there won't be any wires. But overall, you're looking at spending quite a little bit of money here. So is it better to get a mic that's on the camera pointing towards you, or having a mic closer to you? The goal is the closer the microphone is to you, the better it will sound. So maybe a lavalier mic plugged into the wireless little block, and then having that as a camera might be an option. So overall, you'll find links in the description to all of this stuff. Hopefully this helped you. If you didn't listen to this with headphones on, make sure you're wearing headphones, because that'll be a major factor to tell the difference between these and the background noise. So this is what I like the best, the mic on top of the camera plugged directly into the phone, and that worked well for me. I might link you to some of my other videos where I use this so you can see an example. Check the end screens, and I'll see you on the next video.